Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you a review of another eBay find. And what that eBay find is this. The Renogy 10 watt solar panel. Now it is foldable. There's two panels as you see, and it's foldable either way. So you can either have it maybe like this so it can follow the position of the sun if you like, stand it up. You can have it flat out. However you like, you can have it. Now if you notice here on the side or on the corners, there's some holes in it. The reason why there's holes in it is because inside the package you do get a suction cup, just like that. You get 4 of those. You get 2 carabiners or carbiners, however you pronounce it. You get 2 of those. And you do get a short little micro USB charging cable. Also, in this package that I got off of eBay, it comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour portable power bank. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but just above my finger is a little power button. If you press it, the 4 lights come on. And each little blue light indicates approximately 25% charge. Now, on the front, right here or on the top, you get a micro USB port. That's used for charging the power bank. Right here is a full-size USB port. That's what you're going to use to power another device or charge another device up. So it's nice that it's in there. Now, I did try going to Amazon to see if this little package thing was available on Amazon. I could not find it. The only thing I was able to find was just the solar panel. But like I said, on eBay they still had some in stock, and it's called a B grade. What that means is there might be a little bit of a scuff somewhere or something in here. Maybe the screen printing that they have on here wasn't up to their standards. When I got the package, the only thing I can tell what was wrong with this unit, you know those little round stickers or pieces of tape they put on packages to make sure they stay sealed? Well, the adhesive gave out, so basically it wasn't sealed properly. I have not found any problems with this. I had this for about 3 weeks now, and I've drained that 5,000 milliamp hour power bank more than once, charged it up. I so far have no problem with it. I've used this on and off for the last couple weeks as well, and I have had no problem. This solar panel performed admirably, really well as a matter of fact. And yes, I got a test video that's coming up for you. Don't worry, it's only about 1.5 minutes long. It's not a long one. I know sometimes my test videos go a little long, but this is really short, okay? But it's nice to have something like this because in case, like I said, if you do happen to have a power outage, or you know, you can at least still charge up a device. Now it's not going to maybe replace a wall charger. Don't expect it to. Right now I don't think any solar panels, whether it be this size or a 3 or 4 panel one, will ever replace a wall charger, at least not yet. Maybe one of those big humongous solar panels you would put on your roof, maybe that can replace a wall charger, but these small ones are not. So don't expect this to fully charge your phone in a matter of an hour or whatever it takes. This is not going to do it. Okay, so let's just be clear. Anyone on the internet that tells you, hey, you know, solar panels, something like this size should charge up your device, they're wrong. Okay, right now the technology, as far as I know, is not there for something this small to fully charge up your device in a matter of hours. Okay, so right now let me stop talking and let's get you out to the testing. Okay, so I'm out in my backyard. As you can see, it's a pretty sunny day. And I'm going to hook up my USB tester to the Renogy solar panel just to see what we get out of it. So in just a second, I'm going to switch camera views and we'll see how good this really is. Okay, as you see, I got the solar panel hooked up, and right over here is the USB tester. So let's move in a little closer to the USB tester. And there you go. I'm getting 5.07 volts coming out of there. And what I'm going to do now is pause the video, and then I'm going to plug in a power bank to see how many amps it's going to draw. Be back in a second. One thing I wanted to say about when I was testing this is I tested it at 5 o'clock in the evening, or early evening, whatever you want to call it. Now the reason why I did that is I live in Michigan, and this time of year 5 p.m. is not the optimal time to really be trying to use a solar panel to charge a device. Sun's already coming down, it's at a little bit of an angle, so it's not going to be directly hitting the solar panels. Ideally this time of year anyway, in Michigan, to use something like this to charge a device would probably be around 11 a.m. to about 4 p.m. The sun will be a lot more higher in the sky and a little bit better angle for the solar radiation to hit, or the photons, I'm sorry, to hit these solar panels so it can produce energy. So the real reason why I decided to do it so late at night, around 5 p.m. is to show you how well it works in less than optimal conditions. Now, also you got to keep in mind that even if I were to put this out there and I did a test at noon, say 1 o'clock, where the sun's directly pretty much overhead, if I was in Arizona, did the same exact test, I guarantee you I'll have 2 different sets of results. The reason being is because wherever you are in the world, the angle of the sun does play a part in how well or how bad these really perform. Also, in Arizona, you're getting, like I said, you are getting a little bit more direct sunlight down in Arizona. But here in Michigan, we may not. Also, here in Michigan, we get a lot more cloud cover than they do, say, in Arizona, or even like, somewhere in the desert. There's a lot more direct sunlight out there than there is here. So wherever you are in the country, your results may vary compared to mine, okay? But overall, would I suggest you buy this? Heck yeah, I would. So hit the eBay link down below and get one. It's really worth it. Like I said, you can use it during a power outage if you really need to. If you're out hiking, even if you're just out camping and you want to, do a quick charge on your phone or whatever device it is, you can use this. It's great to have. Price is just right on eBay for a B grade. Like I said, I didn't see anything wrong with this. There was no dust, there was no marks on it anywhere. The only thing I noticed is with the little pieces of tape to keep the flaps closed on the box, the adhesive on the tape gave out. I'm actually thinking about buying another one of these because I like it so much. So definitely buy it. And by the way, if you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, it would be great if you were to share this on your social media sources as well. Like Facebook or Twitter or wherever else you may be. That'd be fantastic for me. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Catch up on all my other videos. You never know, there might be something in that I've already done or going to do that you may really find interesting. Don't forget to hit that subscription bell either. And please, if you agree with what I say, if you like what I say, or even if you hate everything I've done, leave a description, or leave a comment down below. I read them all, and if I can, I try to reply to every single one of them that I can. So until the next video, you have a great day. By the way, buy it. It's worth the money.